This super road bike is going to blow your mind. Our friend who owns it calls it the ultimate part spin bike because under all of that there's about 20 grand of bike parts and accessories. It belongs among the most exclusive bikes money can buy. Only 42 of these bikes exist in the world, and we're cleaning one of them today. This whip is extremely stiff. You can barely feel any vibrations because it's super stable at high speeds. It has a handmade lug carbon fiber frame built by Bill Holland and his team. He's one of the most exclusive custom frame builders in the world and has been doing it for over 50 years. His company makes just approximately 50 bike frames a year and are known for being one of the few that are licensed to make exogrid tubing. High-end bikes usually have 10, 11, maybe 12 speeds, but this one has 13, which gives the bike a huge range of speed, allowing it to handle big inclines and most terrains. Its rear cassette is made by Rotor, using 13 precision machined aluminum plates. The bike has ENVE SCS 3.4 carbon disc wheels. They can cost more than a normal bike, but cyclists love them because they are light, strong, and have great aerodynamics. They were made by ENVE, who manufactures premium handmade wheels in the US using American raw materials. If you're still curious about the bike, be sure to comment. We'll try answering your questions in the comment section down below.